Hi there, welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters, Junction City, Oregon. I'm Gary.Christiance, but yep, I'm the van guy, back with another van. We got two nice Gallerias in. We just taped one and we're on the last one. This one's their front lounge model. Pop inside. Before we go inside, there's a nice touchscreen in here to operate everything. I got the master switch on for the lights. I just hit on, all the lights come on. It's right close to the entrance, so you don't have to come in here to use it. So right now, nice couch, touch of a button after you remove the headrest. This folds flat, goes into a twin bed, or you can put the inserts in here and make a big, huge bed. Great storage up on top. And then this little port right here, I use a CPAP. You can put a CPAP on top, run your hose down, have your electrical cord and go in there too. Nice and easy place to put it. It's out of the way. You don't have to worry about your machine, and it makes it sleeping very nice at night. Does have a little extension down here to hang more clothes. Going down the road just gives you another little storage area. Window treatment's very well finished out. And you do have jealousy windows on all four of these little windows. That way, with your fantastic fan, which has a remote, you can operate it while you're back here, whether you're sitting watching TV, traveling down the road, or if you're sleeping. You can turn the speed, the temperature, and it's multi-control. It's very nice. And of course, over here we have another panel for controlling the lights, so you don't have to get back up there. You can just reach up and access them. You got a reading light on both sides, all LED lights. Electrical outlet, USB ports, and 12 volt over there. And these are all self-closed. Here's your DVD player for your entertainment center. Now this model has got a very nice storage area. Let me slip on the other side really quick. So you've got a hanger space over here on this side. Nice big drawer down below. Self-closing. All your shelves, they're all adjustable. Convection microwave. Solid surface countertop. Induction cooking. So you need a magnetized pan to make this operate. You can turn it on without anything there. It's stone cold. You put that pot on, very quickly it warms up to your temperature. Remove the pot, very quickly it cools back down. Not instantaneous, so make sure you don't get there. Interactive owner's manual and warranty information. You can get all this right over with an app. You can get all your owner's manuals and all the information. Deep sink, single lever faucet. All your drawers are full extension. See, it's underlit right here. It's a very nice feature. So these are self-closing. You just got to make sure they're latched for travel. They're going to close, but before you leave, you want to snug them in so they don't come open. Nice big one here for a garbage can or two. Little scrub brushes, and again, a full bank of drawers. Little silverware drawer on top. This is an electrical outlet. And of course, all this big storage area up here. You have plenty of room to put whatever pots that you want, and all the way down. Lots of storage. Bathroom. Very spacious bathroom. LED light. Of course, your faucet is your shower. And this unit has stop wasting your water. It's got a system where you turn this over here. It will take all the water in while you're getting it to your temperature, reroute it back into the gray tank, not into your fresh tank, not into your gray tank, so you're going to save water and save your storage capacity for your gray tank. When it's right, then you turn it all the way back over the shower and you're in business. Shampoo, soap, and all that, it's got a container for everything. You can just hit the dispenser here. You don't have to worry about the little bottles. It's got a nice vanity mirror for makeup and checking stuff out. Good towel rack bar. Refrigerator, freezer on the bottom, refrigerator on top. Nice size refrigerator freezer. Both chairs turn around on this floor plan, makes it really nice. You can leave the bed made up however you want and just use this as your living room, dining room. They don't use Mercedes screen, they use their own. And it's very wide, and this also you can turn it so your backup camera stays on. When you've got your turn signal on, the backup camera will go on to make sure there's nothing behind you while you're trying to make that turn. It also has squirters for your headlights. You got to be in drive, have some stuff for it to operate, but it works out very good. And as well, the headlights actually do turn in the direction that you're turning under 25 miles an hour just with a turn signal on. They'll actually move in that direction. Over 25, you don't need a turn signal. It just works with the steering wheel. Very nice, safe features to help you drive and be safe. Of course, a nice wide step for getting in and out. There's no moving parts that you have to worry about it not operating. Alcoas on all your wheels. Your Truma system, this is for your heating and cooling. It's very quiet, very efficient. You have a 110 outlet on this side. I kind of jumped the gun on these two. They just came in. I wanted to get them on tape, so they haven't even been cleaned up yet from shipping. You have a screen that comes down here, privacy screen in the back. There's your screen. Here's your under storage. There's your outdoor shower wand. There's your nozzle here, 110 cord, some floor mats that are stored in here. This could be Velcroed off if you don't want it. It has a trailer hitch. The van's rated to tow 5,000 pounds. Has a 7-pin Bargeman plug. Backup camera is right up here. Short cord plugs in here. It's got a macerator system for your dump tanks. Outdoor shower, hot and cold water. Behind the driver's door is the fuel door, so it's protected from being tampered by anybody. Does have a nice table that goes between the two seats up here and actually bifolds open and has places for cups on it for both people up front. You got a question? Just call in and ask for the van guy. Or you can call me direct at 541-554-9581. And my email's at the bottom of the screen. I appreciate your time, and I do look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.